Now you can simply type void main system.out.println to run the simple Java program. So from Java 21, the feature called Unnamed classes will allow you to do that. So it is now supported with IntelliJ IDE as well. So let me show you how you can do that. So for that, let me just quickly install Java 21 onto our system. So let me just go into the browser and search for download Java 21. And just go into this first link from oracle.com. So here you can see JDK21. So let me just go into the Windows here and let me just quickly download this installer. So once this exe file is downloaded, let me just go into the downloads folder, and if I just double click onto this one, so this will open the installer. So let me just click on next, click on next. So the Java 21 has been successfully installed. So let me just close everything from here. And now if I just go into the folders, and inside here just go into local disk C. So just go inside local disk C, program files, and inside here, so you will be able to see this Java, and inside here, so there's JDK21. So we just have to set up this bin path into the environment variable. So let me just go inside this bin and just click here at the top, and we just need to copy this path. So just go into the start button here and just search for edit system. So just click on this, edit the system environment variables, and just go into this environment variables. So here, so we just need to click on path. So just double click onto this and just click on new. So we just have to paste that path which we have just copied, and click on OK and just press on OK. So now if I just go here on the start menu and search for command prompt, and now if I just type Java version, so you can see the Java 21 has been successfully installed. So now let me just quickly install the IntelliJ IDE. So for that, just go into the new tab and search for IntelliJ, and just go into this first link from jetbrains.com. So just click on this download, and here you can see, so this is the ultimate one. So we will be downloading the community edition, which is for free. So let me just click on download. So once this is downloaded, let me just click here, and if I just double click onto this, so this will open the installer, and just click on next, just press on next. So just press everything as default, and this will start installing the IntelliJ IDE. So here you can see the IntelliJ IDE has been successfully installed. So let me just check here, and so this will automatically run this. So here you can see the welcome page. So let me just quickly click on this new project here, and so you can just give the name of the project something like hello. So the language is Java and the build version is IntelliJ, and it has automatically detected the JDK version 21. So I don't want to add the sample code, and let me just click on create. So this will create the project with the name hello. So inside here, so let me just quickly create a new class. So you can just right click and click on Java class, and you can just name something like hello world. So here you can see, so it has created the class name hello world. So before Java 21, so whenever we had to run a simple Java program, so we had to type this public static void main, and inside here, so we had to type something like this system.out.println and run the program. So but now from Java 21, so we didn't need to type this public static void main or give the class name. So to activate that, so we just have to click on this main menu and go inside this project structure. So here, so we just have to change this language level into JDK 21. So just click onto this 21. So just click on apply and click on OK. So now if I just clear everything and just type void main, and inside here you can just simply type system.out.println, say something like hello using Java 21. And now if I just right click and click onto this run hello world.main, so you can see, so it has been successfully running into our IDE. So this is how you can use the latest feature of Java 21 on your IntelliJ. So thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, be sure to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.